Hello and welcome to Stryde. On this brief recording, we will be spending a little time discussing what Stryde is for financial professionals and insurance agents. So let's dive right in and look at just a few of the ways Stryde has all of your bases covered. Stryde is differentiation. It's working with the best clients. It's an industry-leading automation client acquisition tool. It's viral market growth, coaching and mentoring, team or agency building, marketing and strategic alliances. Now, I'm not going to go through all of these in detail, as that is what your onboarding training is for. But I am going to zero in for a moment on two specific areas, those being differentiation and the best clients. We'll start with differentiation. Let's be serious, guys. There's little to no opportunity to truly differentiate yourself in a space that is as saturated as life insurance and financial services. Markets that have 1.2 million of you running around all chasing the same clients, many of which don't have the kind of assets that you want to work with anyway. We all know that claiming niches such as retirement planning, wealth preservation, college planning, and so on does little to nothing to differentiate you from, again, the other 1.2 million. And in reality, however you're identifying yourself, you're all chasing the same people with the same or similar pitch or product. So if you can't truly differentiate yourself by claiming a niche through general service offerings and or products, how the heck do you stand out from the crowd? Easy. You join Stryde. Stryde is the one true proven model that has a decade-and-a-half long track record of creating real and lasting differentiation for all of its members, with thousands of testimonials behind us to prove it. The first step to our differentiation process is to get you out of the rat race. No more chasing the same clients as everyone else. Those clients that go to all the dinners, take all the meetings with anyone that will get with them, who don't value your time and rarely buy. We're also going to stop you from spending all your money to develop piles of prospects for you to then filter through as you try to find the 1 in 100 that actually have the wealth you need to work with just to survive. Basically, we're getting you out of survival mode and into explosive growth. You're going to work with the best clients. By listening to the previous recording, you already know that when we reference the best clients that you could possibly work with, what we mean is business owners. But do you know why? Well, here are a few reasons. They actually have money. They don't waste your time because they won't waste theirs. They actually make decisions. And probably most importantly, there's no competition. I'm going to expand on the no competition point in just a few moments. Because of the previous video, you already understand to a degree what cost remediation is. That it is the most powerful tool imaginable when it comes to walking you through the door to work with the best clients in the industry. Naturally, you understand why it's always easier to initiate a relationship by giving rather than asking or taking. And the best part is, this entire system was built just for you. Each of our services fit perfectly with your skill sets and services. Think about it. In your daily activities, you currently discuss taxation topics such as deferral, management, and mitigation. Guess what? That's what our system does. You talk about time value of money, reinvestable assets, rate of return. Guess what? That's what our system does. But remember, it does it in a way that differentiates you from anyone else. And the real key to all of it is that it gets you through what are otherwise sealed doors to the absolute best clients you ever hope to work with. I said a few moments ago that I would expand on what makes business owners the best clients and what I mean when I say there's no competition. Here's what I mean. This and other studies show that this population, the business owner population, is the most underserved and under-accessed market in existence. And it shows us that not only is this the best market to be in, but that now is also the best time to be in it. Let's zero in on a few key points. 82% of all business owners have no financial representation. That means no planner, no agent, nobody. 54% of the 28 million privately held businesses in the country today have expressed a desire to sell or exit their business over the coming 8 to 10 years. 72% of them have done nothing to prepare, while 14% started but never finished, which means that they had a consultation somewhere at some point with someone, but that they didn't take on that planner and they never finished. This tells us two incredible things. First, if you're not working with business owners, you're in the wrong market. Second, that this once in a lifetime $12 trillion transition of wealth is one you cannot afford to miss out on, while at the same time being one that by virtue of your relationship with Stryde is yours for the taking. All you need to do to get out of the race for pennies and into the right market is to register with Stryde. Turn on this simple tool that allows you to start relationships with the best clients by handing them piles of money rather than asking for it. And then let us be your back office to execute on all of this for you and pre-fund the business you want to do with them. Here's a small example of the cases you get to hear about every single week on our national calls, as told to you by other agents just like you. Join us here at Stryde so this and so much more can become your story. Thank you very much. We look forward to working with you.